Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our interior design series. Today, we have an exciting project in store. We'll be transforming a kitchen from its before cleaning state to its after cleaning glory. Let's get started. As you can see, our kitchen is in desperate need of a makeover. It's cluttered and dirty, but don't worry, we're going to work our magic. First, let's start with those countertops. We've cleaned them up, making them look fresh and inviting. The sink is now gleaming, with no dirty dishes or residue in sight. Our stovetop has had a makeover as well, free from spills and stains. The cabinets are spotless, without a trace of grease or grime. The light fixtures are shining brightly after a thorough cleaning. And there you have it, our after cleaning kitchen. It's transformed into a clean, organized, and beautiful space. Now, to maintain this beauty, here are some tips. Keep your pantry organized, and regularly check for expired items. Clean and sanitize your dishwasher to prevent odors and residue buildup. Wipe down your cabinets regularly to avoid grease buildup. And most importantly, establish a cleaning schedule to keep your kitchen looking its best. Thank you for joining us on this kitchen transformation journey. Remember, a clean kitchen not only looks stunning but also creates a healthier and more enjoyable cooking environment. Stay tuned for more interior design tips in our next episode. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.